So now last question is again similar. Use Euclid's division lemma to show cube. Now the important word is cube of any positive. कोई odd even नहीं दिया हुआ. Any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Means this time the remainder can be 0 or 1 or 8. And the divisor is 9. But as 9 is a multiple of 3, dear students, we can solve this question by taking divisor as 3 also. You can go with any of the way. You can take divisor as 9 or with 3. क्योंकि 3 का जब हम क्यूब करेंगे तो उसमें से 9 हमारे पास आ सकता है. Like this. 9 can be taken out. हम ले सकते हैं 9. तो in this question, instead of taking 9 as the divisor, I am taking 3. Understood why I am taking 3? क्योंकि 3 का क्यूब हो या स्केयर हो, we can easily get 9, right? And cube of any positive integer is of the form. So this is the way. So let me explain you. So dear students, here you can see that cube of any positive integer, like 5 का cube लिया 125. If I'll divide it by 9, I am getting the remainder 8. So Euclid form is this. 9 is fixed, 8 is fixed. Quotient कुछ भी हो सकता है. Divisor any positive integer. Here any positive integer is 7. 7 का cube लिया because cube is given to us. So cube किया 343. When it is divided by 9, you'll get remainder 1. Always 1. So यही वो कहना चाहते हैं. Sorry, in the previous question मैं स्केयर करना भूल गई थी given integer को. You'll get the same result. Okay. So let us do it. तो पहली स्टेटमेंट क्या होगी? लेट ए बी एनी, क्योंकि ए कुछ भी हो सकता है. ए इंटीजर कैन बी एनीथिंग. सो व्हाट डू वी राइट? लेट ए बी एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर एंड बी डिवाइजर हम 3 ले लेंगे या 9 भी ले सकते हैं. देयरफॉर बाय यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा विल राइट द कंप्लीट सेंटेंस इन द सेम फॉर्म. So we will write let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Therefore by Euclid's division lemma, we'll write a is equal to 3q plus r, and r is always greater than equal to 0 and smaller than the divisor. So now because cube is given in the question, we'll write cubing on both sides. So when we'll cube, we'll get this in this form. So we'll get this. So let us start putting the values. Let us see r की क्या values हो सकती हैं. r can be 0, 1, 2. Again it should be less than 3. So we have 3 values to get the answers. So step 1, when r is equal to 0, to put in this equation, a cube is equal to 3q plus 0 whole cube, right? So now we will use the identity, but before using the identity, 0 is adding to 3q, will get the same term, 3q cube. So don't cube it, just write it in this way. 3 cube is 27, but we'll write 3 cube as like this, cube. आप लोग ये लिखना भूल जाते हैं, do not forget it. Now because in the question we need 9. To prove the question we need 9. So we'll convert this into 9 form. इन दोनों 3 को मिलाकर हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 9. And remaining term will be put as 3q square, right? तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3q square को क्या पुट कर देंगे? 9m is the proof. फर्स्ट प्रूफ हो गया. मेंशन करेंगे where m is equal to 3q square, right? Similarly we'll do the second part. So dear students, similarly we will do the second part. R is equal to 1. So when we put it in this 3q plus 1 whole cube. But now to open this whole cube, we have to use this identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let us start putting the values in this. So we'll get here 3q whole cube plus b is 1 cube plus 3a square b 3, a is 3q square into b is 1 plus 3 A is 3q into b square is 1 square. Now let us solve it. 3 cube 27q cube plus 1 cube is 1. इसे हम यहीं रख लेते हैं और let me highlight it. Plus first do the square. 3 square is 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27 q square. Plus 3 threes are 9. 1 square is 1. 9 ones are 9 q. So this is the expansion of this. Now we need 9 to prove the question. Question में अब second चीज़ क्या prove करनी है हमें? We need 9 plus 1. 9m plus 1. तो 9 कहाँ से मिल सकता है? From this term, from this term and from this term. तो what will I do? मैं इन तीनों terms में से 9 common लूँगी and plus 1 will be written separately. So I am taking 9 from here. तो 27 में से 9 लेंगे common. 9 कितने से 27? 3 q cube plus 27 q square में से again we'll get 3 q square. Then 9 q में से 9 common we'll get q and plus 1 is not giving 9 common, we'll write it separately. So we'll complete this complete bracket as m and plus 9 m plus 1 and where what do we write? Where m is equal to this bracket 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Dear students, similarly one more point they have asked you 9m plus 8. For that we'll put the third remainder also in this question. So dear students, now third, when remainder is 2, so 3q plus 2 whole square when we'll put in this equation, right? By applying the identity a cube 3q whole cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. 3 cube is 27q cube, 2 cube is 8, 3 square 9, 2s are 18, 3s are 54 q square plus 2 square 4, 3s are 4 3s are 12, 3s are 36 q. Now 8 is required in the question, we'll write it separately and from the remaining 3 terms we'll take out 9 common and this bracket will be written as m, 9m plus 8, and we'll mention that m is taken as this bracket. So this question will be done, will be similar to this, only the difference is cubing on both sides. In the previous question squaring on both sides, in the second question we have done it directly. So do it in this way. Now last question means question number 3 of this exercise. Let us read. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members. Means एक आर्मी बैंड है, आगे ऑब्वियसली आपने देखा होगा कि बैंड चलता है, पीछे मेंबर्स होते हैं परेड में. द टू ग्रुप्स आर टू मार्च इन द सेम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. व्हाट इज़ द मैक्सिमम? तो बेटा जब भी ये मैक्सिमम वर्ड दिखे, हाईएस्ट वर्ड दिखे, ग्रेटेस्ट वर्ड दिखे, मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन विच दे कैन मार्च, तो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? HCF. सो फाइंड आउट HCF ऑफ 616 and 32. दैट विल बी द आंसर. ओके, so do third question yourself. So that's it for today. Do this complete exercise. I hope quite difficult but easy to understand. अगर आप numbers को देख के समझेंगे, it is quite easy. So complete this in your notebook.